In today's digital age, data is the driving force behind effective corporate strategy. Understanding customer behavior, managing inventory management, and making data-driven decisions are critical for retailers looking to thrive in a competitive market. Shopify POS acknowledges the value of data analysis and provides a robust range of analytic solutions that enable shops to get important insights. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of data analysis in Shopify POS, demonstrating how it enables retailers to identify hidden patterns, make informed decisions, and drive business success. Comprehensive sales evaluation. Understanding sales performance is critical for merchants to discover patterns, quantify success, and optimize strategy. Shopify POS offers comprehensive sales analysis tools that allow retailers to dig into key information such as total sales, average order value, and sales by product or category. Retailers can acquire a better knowledge of their sales patterns with the help of user-friendly dashboards and reports. They can discover their best-selling products, determine peak sales periods, and study client purchasing behavior. Armed with these insights, retailers can make data-driven decisions to optimize pricing, promotional methods, and product assortment, ultimately driving increased sales and profitability. Customer insights and segmentation. The analytics tools of Shopify POS enable retailers to acquire important information into their customer base. Retailers can use customer data such as demographics, purchasing history, and order frequency to find significant trends and patterns. Retailers can discover high-value client segments, learn about their preferences, and customize marketing campaigns accordingly by segmenting their consumer base. For example, merchants can build targeted email campaigns or customize promos for specific client groups, boosting the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Furthermore, consumer analytics enable retailers to detect and resolve client turnover. By studying customer behavior and recognizing churn tendencies, merchants may proactively deploy retention measures to prevent attrition and build long-term client loyalty. Inventory management improvement. Efficient inventory management is critical for businesses in order to maintain optimal stock levels and meet customer expectations. The analytics capabilities of Shopify POS extend to inventory analysis, allowing shops to obtain insight into their stock levels, turnover, and product performance. By evaluating inventory data, businesses can detect slow-moving or static products and take corrective action. They can alter pricing, execute marketing strategies to promote specific products, and make informed decisions about product phasing out or clearance sales. This product mix optimization optimizes inventory turnover, minimizes holding costs, and maximizes profitability. Furthermore, businesses can employ analytics to estimate future demand and modify their inventory levels accordingly. By examining previous sales data, seasonal trends, and customer behavior, businesses may create accurate predictions, streamline procurement procedures, and avoid stockouts or overstock situations. Optimization of conversion rate. Analyzing and optimizing conversion rates is crucial for merchants trying to improve the effectiveness of their online presence. Shopify POS analytics solutions enable shops to measure and evaluate conversion rates, allowing them to identify areas for development. Retailers can use customer journey data to see where potential customers drop off in the purchasing process. By identifying friction points or conversion obstacles, retailers can make targeted adjustments to their website design, user experience, or checkout process, boosting the likelihood of successful conversions. Furthermore, analytics enable merchants to A/B test different marketing tactics, website layouts, or product displays. By measuring the influence of these modifications on conversion rates, retailers can make data-driven decisions about which methods to deploy and optimize their marketing efforts for optimal efficacy.